Hey creative community, I am Mugsy and this is my art channel MugsyMakes. Here little Starbuck is helping me today work on puzzle piece number 21. This puzzle piece I used old fortune from fortune cookies that I've gotten pretty much my entire lifetime that I've collected them. Starbuck and her sibling River Song are both turning 4 this next month. So I guess they're not really kittens anymore, huh? The puppies are also turning 3 next month also. So I went ahead and just did a collage of these fortunes. Used my pen to draw some stitching on, and a little shading, a little smudging, and then covered it with some triple thick to seal it. So I like how this one turned out, and I've been collecting these in this jar for a long time, so I thought I would use a little bit more than I did, but fortune for years, right? Oh, everybody say hi to Anubis. He has to make an appearance in most videos. I'm pretty happy with some of the work I've been doing because I've been using up some things that I've had for a long time, like these glue sticks and these fortunes. It's always fun to play with new materials, but there's just something about using the ones that you've had laying around for a while and actually doing something with them. I was inspired here to do the little stitching because everybody in the creative community has been doing a lot of these Franken pages, and I really like those. Although this was a little bit of different take on them, I think I'll still try one of those here with some different colors of paper. Alright guys, I hope you have a great week. We've got a really good weekend ahead of us. Just that good feeling of something good's about to happen is in the air. I think it has something to do with everything blooming and the sun shining. It really, really can change a person's mood. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are planning on doing this summer. Are you guys hikers, campers? Do you guys spend some time on water? I know the other half of you are all getting ready to wind down summer right now because you've had a crazy summer over there. So, what are you guys planning on for the winter? Does anybody do any winter sports? I don't. I skied once in my life. It was a yard sale of all my clothes and skis as I tumbled down the mountain. It wasn't the best adventure in the world. Alright, you guys, threw up a pic here of the deck I'm working on, and I will leave you with that.